Namaste. My name is Manthal Gurung. I am marketing manager at Yatri Trekking. Yatri Trekking is one of the authorized company in Nepal. It is trekking travel company. Today I am going to share about the products, sales and about the company services in Nepal. It is based in Kathmandu. So what we do here, actually we sells trekking program, and it is about traveling, rock climbing and mountaineering. It These are main our services. So we here we have more than 25 guides and many Sherpas. Now they are in village. It is time of pandemic situation. So here I am making a plan for our guests, for our customers, for our uh, uh, guides, Sherpas and managers. So this is the time of planning. I guess, do you know which place is the most safe, beautiful place in the world to travel? Nepal is the most beautiful country in the world. So we have many testimonials successful in the past time. For example, we have more than 100 group success in trekking. We have did on mountaineering. So we are already success, but we want to keep this journey together, keep in contact with all the clients, potential clients, and we have that kinds of knowledge that lead you to learn further in tourism, in religion, in mountaineering, in cultural, in whatever trekking, travel. For example, you would like to know about the Buddhism, Jain, Hinduism, Nepali culture, our Mustang, Manang. Not only that, we are expert in Bhutan and its culture, and Ladakh, India, China, and we are collaborating with Crowd1 because it is a marketing company. We are on online. We want to share, care. So we have to collaborate. So here we have many services. Our guides, Sherpas, they are more than 25 years experience. So we want to keep in contact with you. Please share this video, directly contact with our manager, with our CEO Iman Gurung, and we can be reached yatritrekking.com in Kathmandu. Please share this. Namaste.